Alright, so this trick is called the impossible match. Okay, so I want you to quickly look at the cards that you're holding.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, and show the camera that they are all different. So just give them a mix up, shuffle them between your hands. Yeah, you start doing that now if you want. Yep, shuffle them up, perfect. Now I want you to hold the cards face down just like that. Perfect. Now, this is where you need to use all of your strength, okay? Check this out. I need you to rip the cards in half. Just give it a good rip. All the way down the middle until you have two halves, just like that.
Okay, good. What if he can't? Oh, I'm sad.
You got it, perfect.
So strong.
Excellent, and keep them in one pile in each hand. You've got it, you're ripping them.
Okay, yeah, Jaden.
Can we help our mate out?
It's not really a half.
All right, so now you have half in each hand, correct?
Yeah.
All right, now I want you to put either the left hand on top of the right or the right on top of the left. It's up to you. Do that now. Doesn't matter which one. Okay? Now, here's the important part. You must pay attention. Take the top three cards, 1, 2, 3, and place them somewhere together as a bunch in the middle. Put them somewhere in the middle. Perfect. All right, now I want you to take the top card, take the top card, and I want you to sit on it. Yes, I'll put one under here. Sit on it. Okay, this is where it gets really exciting. Can you give me a number between 2 and 5? Go.
2.
2. Take 1, 2, 2 from the top, and put them somewhere in the middle together as a bunch.
Oh, everyone?
And put them somewhere in the middle. Now, give me a number between 2 and 4.
3.
You can't choose 2, 3, or 4.
3.
3, okay, take 1, 2, 3. Yes, and put them somewhere in the middle, together as a bunch. Excellent, now this is where it gets really exciting, because you're going to take the top card, put it on the bottom, and take the next card, and just throw it. Do it again, top card on the bottom. The next one, just throw it on the ground. Perfect. Next one on the bottom, top one on the ground. One on the bottom, throw the next one on the ground. One on the bottom, next one on the ground. One on the bottom, next one on the ground. Now you should have one card left. Right, one card, hold on to it. Now do you remember in the beginning we put a card under our bottom?
Yes.
Grab it, check it out.
What the heck?
Check it
What
out.
the heck?
And show the camera. Now here's the explanation to the impossible match. This trick is super impressive. You can do it for large audiences and it just seems impossible, but here's how it's done. Firstly, you need to hand out 4 random cards. They can be any cards, they can be shuffled up. It has no difference on the outcome. So check this out. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to give 4 cards to the spectators. Once they have them, you need them to rip the cards down the middle. So rip them down, and sometimes it can be a little bit hard, but help them out. So you rip them right down the middle. Once you're at this point, they have a free choice. It doesn't matter which pile goes on top. They could put the right on the left or the left on the right. Once they have done that, you're at this point right here. You then tell them to take the top 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and slide them somewhere as a bunch. They got to stay together somewhere in the middle. It doesn't matter where it is, as long as it's near the middle. Once they have done that, you then take the next card on top and tell them to put it in their pocket or sit on it. Just hide it away for now. We'll leave this here just for this presentation. So, this is where it gets exciting. You now ask a spectator to choose a number between 2 and 5. It can be 2, 3, 4, or 5. It doesn't matter. So, in this case, we're going to choose the number 2. You tell them to take 1, 2, and put it somewhere in the middle, together as a bunch. They can go anywhere in the middle. Can go there, somewhere near the middle. You then ask another spectator to choose a number between 2 and 4. Now it doesn't have to be 3. A lot of people will go, oh, but there's only one number in the middle. It can be 2, 3, or 4. Let's say in this case, they choose a number 4. So you take 1, 2, 3, 4 cards and put them somewhere in the middle. But you can see we've got 3 cards. They can go here or it can go here. In this case, we're going to put it here as a bunch. Right, this is where it gets fun. You now tell the spectators to take the top card, put it on the bottom. The next card, you throw it away. You take the top card, put it on the bottom. You take the next card and throw it away. You take the top card, put it on the bottom. The next one, you throw it away. You take the top card, you put it on the bottom. The next one, you throw it away. You take the top one on the bottom, throw it away. You keep going to the very end until you've got 1 card left. Now this will always match. Why? Because this is just a mathematical trick that happens. So then you say to them, do you remember that card you sat on in the very beginning? Well, firstly look at the card that you've got left and take that card out of your pocket and you will have a perfect match every single time.